Trail Duster, 32-inch sprocket, 3-piece cranks, pretty much all stock. Had it for about a year. Weighs like 30 pounds, but it does the job for now. Oversized front and back bolts. It's a 2011 model, and I got it from the bike shop in Findlay, Ohio.
Here, I'll record. You take off on your bike. Here, I'll record.
Alright, we got the Stone Casino 2011. We got a 22-inch sprocket, the 3-piece. We got some, whatever, I don't care. We got a Hyper seat. Used to have a stolen seat on it, but not right now. Have a spare tire on the back right now. We got the oversized back rim, but there is no oversized on this, but there's an oversized tire. We got the Tornado fork and handlebars. Stolen head. And we got some stolen grips. That's about it. Got it off Dan's Comp. Nice.